You notice something is wrong before anyone else sees it, and the silence feels heavier. Now the boss pauses mid-sentence, and something feels off, but no one dares to react or speak. He forgets what he was saying, and tries to recover, but the silence grows more uncomfortable. The entire room becomes silent and no one moves because silence here is a survival instinct. Everyone avoids eye contact because helping the boss would mean exposing weakness and risk. You realize this. Silence is not respect but a system of survival built on fear and control. The boss waits for someone to speak, but no one responds and the moment stretches longer. The room stays quiet as everyone pretends nothing is wrong even though everyone feels it. Helping him now would mean acknowledging something dangerous, and no one wants that risk in this world. One mistake can end your life, and everyone knows exactly what that means. You slowly scan the room trying to understand what everyone is thinking in this moment. 10 men sit there quietly, all looking down as if avoiding something they cannot say. You realize none of them believe in him anymore, even though they still pretend. Despite everything, they all nod, as if agreeing to something no one actually believes. That is when you understand something dangerous about the man sitting in front of you. The most dangerous person in the room is not the loudest, but the one losing control. He does not realize he is losing control, and that is what makes him truly dangerous. And right now the situation feels like it is about to shift in a way no one can stop. That man sitting in front of you is the one everyone fears, but no one will confront. His name is Takeda, and he built everything that exists in this organization. Today, 3 years ago, he was untouchable, and no one would ever question his decisions. He was disciplined, measured, and precise, and everything he did had purpose and control. He never needed to raise his voice, because his presence alone controlled everyone in the room. Others followed his instructions without hesitation because they trusted his decisions completely. He built an empire across cities, connecting people, operations, and money into one system. Multiple cities were under his influence, and everything operated quietly without attention. His operations expanded smoothly, and everything was carefully controlled without chaos. Hundreds of people worked under him, forming a structure that moved like a single machine. Everything was connected through one simple rule that kept the entire system stable. The rule was simple: stay invisible and never attract attention from outside forces. There was no chaos in his system. Everything moved smoothly without unnecessary disruption. Violence was only used when absolutely necessary, and always kept controlled and limited. No attention was the key to survival, and everything was designed to remain unnoticed. Takeda believed power should never be loud and control should always feel invisible. True power was quiet and predictable, and that is what made it effective. Over time, everything he did followed a clear structure, and nothing was ever left uncertain or random. Because of this, everyone trusted him and followed his leadership without hesitation. Even his rivals respected him because his decisions were always calculated and stable. You trusted him more than anyone because everything you learned came directly from him. You have spent over a decade working under him, learning every detail of the system. You started from the bottom, doing small tasks, and slowly proving your value over time. He noticed your patience early and recognized something different in how you operated. He told you that you had something rare that most people in this world never develop. He called it patience with hidden strength, the ability to wait and act at the right moment. That was the way he described you, and it became the foundation of everything you built later. He personally trained you, teaching you how everything worked behind the scenes in detail. You learned how money moved through the system and how each part connected perfectly. You learned how to negotiate calmly and maintain control. Even in tense situations, you understood how to control risk and prevent problems before they could escalate. Everything you became was built on what he taught you and the system he created. That is why the changes that begin to happen later feel confusing and difficult to accept at first. The changes are small and easy to ignore, but they slowly begin to grow. Everything starts with minor adjustments that do not seem important at the time. These small changes begin to stack over time, slowly altering how everything operates. The boss begins adding more security around himself and becomes more cautious. He starts asking more questions and observing people more closely than before. Meetings begin to feel longer as he pauses more often and seems uncertain. Soon surveillance begins, and he starts monitoring the actions of his own people. The system begins turning inward, and people start being watched. Without explanation, phones are monitored and conversations are no longer private within the organization. Movements are tracked, and every action is quietly recorded without anyone knowing. No one understands why these changes are happening, and no explanation is given. Orders continue, but they are quieter now and more difficult to question or challenge. One of the lieutenants disappears for a short time, and no one asks where he went. When he returns, something about him feels different, and people notice immediately. He does not speak about what happened and avoids answering any direct questions. Everyone understands what this means even without words because the pattern is clear. Now the boss is no longer trusting and is now testing loyalty in ways that feel dangerous. You begin to question what loyalty even means in a system that keeps changing. This is where the real problem begins, because no one understands what is happening anymore. The system becomes unstable and uncertainty spreads quietly among everyone involved. Then something happens that clearly shows the situation has changed completely. A shop owner refuses to follow instructions, and this situation should be routine. Normally, this kind of situation is handled calmly without unnecessary escalation. Pressure is applied carefully to maintain control without creating unwanted attention. Violence is avoided because it brings attention and disrupts everything that was built. But this time the boss makes a different decision that changes everything instantly. The man is beaten, and the situation escalates far beyond what anyone expected. It happens publicly, and people begin to notice something is no longer being controlled. His family watches helplessly, and the emotional weight of the moment becomes clear. This single decision breaks the rules that kept the system stable for years. The rules he created are now being ignored by the same person who enforced them. Civilian attention begins to increase and outside forces start getting closer. Police involvement disrupts operations and creates instability across the system. As disruption increases, the entire system begins to lose efficiency and control. This is something Takeda himself once taught as a core principle of survival. Now he ignores his own rules, and the contradiction becomes impossible to ignore. You begin to recognize patterns forming and realize something deeper is happening. What you are seeing is not strategy anymore, and something deeper is driving these actions. It is not strategy but fear, and that fear is beginning to influence every decision. This fear is not about enemies, but something internal that cannot be controlled anymore. There are no visible threats, yet the tension continues to increase without explanation. The real fear comes from losing control, and that is what is happening right now. One by one, people begin approaching you because they see you as the only option. These meetings happen quietly and individually to avoid attracting any attention. Each meeting feels the same even though they happen in different places and times. No matter when or where, the message remains consistent and clear each time. They all say the same thing, even if they use different words to express it. Something has to change, and they are no longer willing to accept the current situation. You remain silent because speaking would make everything real and harder to control. You cannot respond because any answer would immediately change the situation forever. Even thinking about responding feels like crossing a line that cannot be reversed. Despite your silence, they continue approaching you because they have already decided. 5 senior lieutenants now stand together, representing a majority of power. Together, they control most of the system, including money, manpower, and territory. Money continues to flow through the system and determines who holds real control. Manpower gives strength to the organization and allows it to operate across locations. Territory defines influence and determines how far the system can expand and operate. They no longer need permission because their position already gives them authority. What they need now is someone to lead, and they have already chosen who that is. They have already made their decision, and the weight of that choice is now on you fully. They are not asking anymore, they are telling you that you are the one they have chosen. It is not about strength, because others are stronger and more aggressive than you. It is about proximity, because you are the closest person to the boss, and his trust. You are the one who sits with him regularly and has direct access to his private space. He trusts you more than others, and that trust gives you the ability to reach him. You have access to him in ways others do not, and that makes you the key to everything. This situation is not really about gaining power, but about choosing the right moment. Timing is the most important factor, and every decision depends on acting at the right time. The window for action is closing quickly, and waiting too long will create bigger problems. You expect the plan to involve violence because that is how. These situations usually end. Removing a leader typically means eliminating them completely to avoid future threats. This is the pattern you have seen before. And it usually ends with someone disappearing, but this time the plan is different, and it avoids direct confrontation completely. The approach is quiet, controlled, and designed to avoid drawing any attention at all. Every step is calculated precisely to ensure that nothing goes wrong during execution. This makes the plan even more dangerous because it happens without visible conflict. At the center of everything is money, because money controls how the system functions. All operations depend on money moving correctly, and any disruption affects everything. If the flow of money is interrupted, the structure above it begins to collapse. Quickly removing control over money effectively removes control over the entire organization. This allows the transition to happen silently without confrontation or visible resistance. There is no visible violence involved, and everything appears normal. From the outside, everything happens quietly without drawing attention, and that is what makes it effective. You arrive at his house, just like every other time, and nothing feels different at first. The setting looks familiar and unchanged, which makes everything feel even more normal. Soft garden lights glow gently, creating a peaceful atmosphere that hides what is happening. The water in the garden is completely still, reflecting the lights and adding to the calm. Nothing seems unusual, but that is exactly why this moment is so important. The fact that everything feels normal is part of the design and makes the plan work. He greets you in the same way he always does, with a calm and familiar presence. He places his hand on your shoulder, showing trust and connection without saying anything. The interaction feels familiar and routine, but carries more weight than before. There is a slight sense of warmth, but it is mixed with something difficult to ignore. Dinner begins, and everything appears completely normal with no signs of change. He begins talking about the past, sharing stories that you have heard many times before. You listen quietly as he repeats memories that once meant something different to you. He talks about better days when everything was clear, under control. These memories reflect a time when decisions were easier and everything made sense. At a precise moment, your attention shifts when something small but important happens. Your phone vibrates slightly on the table, and the signal is subtle but clear. It happens only once, but that is enough to confirm that everything is now in motion. In that moment, you understand completely that the plan has already been executed. Without any visible reaction, you remain calm, knowing that everything has already changed.